Alright, welcome to part 2 of the first part of our Unit 7A review. So where we left off was we needed to find the zeros of our factor, 2x squared, not our factor, I'm sorry, our function 2x squared plus 8x. So to find the zeros, the way I taught y'all in class was to factor. So the first thing we need to do is we need to look at 2x squared plus 8x and see what we can do to simplify it, to break it down into our factors. Now, we have a leading coefficient of 2 here, and if you remember correctly, when you have a leading coefficient of 2, I asked you guys, we need to think about some greatest common factors that I can take out of each term. So if you notice, each term could be divided by 2. So then I'm going to have 2x squared divided by 2, and that is x squared. 8x divided by 2 is 4x. So we're almost done. I still really can't work with that just yet. I can, however, take out something else from each term. Each term has an x, so I'm going to divide it by x. X squared divided by x is x. 4x divided by x is just 4. Now I can't take anything else. There's not any other common factor between x and 4. So my factors are 2x and x plus 4. To find the zeros, remember that is the same thing as having my function equal 0. So this is our function in factored form. It is the same thing. If I multiplied it out, I would get 2x squared plus 8x. So setting this equal to 0 is going to help us. Now remember, whenever I am multiplying two things and my result, my product is 0, that means one or both of the things that I am multiplying, in this case the factors that I am multiplying, are equal to 0. So to find the zeros, I set 2x equal to 0, or my x plus 4 could be 0. So if I divide by 2, I'm going to have x equals 0, or I have to subtract 4, I'm going to get x equals negative 4. My zeros are x equals 0, and x equals negative 4. This is going to help us finish our graph. I'm going to start by graphing my vertex, negative 2, 1, 2, negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to plot my first 0 at 0, 0. And then my next 0 is at negative 4, 0. There we've got a pretty good look at our parabola.